Welcome to conceptstart.net, the place to go for instant art inspiration since 2014. This video will demonstrate the features and functionality of the website, so let's get started. Firstly, there are various different memberships. The higher the tier, the more functionality and better value you get. Signing up is quick and simple. Just fill in your details after selecting your chosen membership. You can choose to pay via PayPal or Stripe, which are secure transaction gateways. Once your transaction is complete, for a one-time payment, you'll be able to log in right away with your username and password and start using your membership features and functionality. So where to start? Well, let's head over to the Ideas portal page, or if you want to focus on art learning, then head over to the Taskmaster portal page. For art ideas, simply navigate down the page. There's about 65 plus idea generators and plenty of task generators which will help you to build core fundamental art skills. Here you can read an overview of each generator, click generate ideas and it'll take you right through. The same goes for task generators via the portal page. More will be added for a diverse range of skills and ideas in the future. As a member, you'll be able to access the quick links, which makes your whole browsing experience that much easier and tailored to your preference. Once you're on the right generator page, simply click the Generate Idea button. Be sure to check and uncheck the criteria you want to display. Your idea can be pushed a little with the help of the shuffle icon. Simply check it, and on your next click of the Generate button, this particular variable will randomize as all the others stay the same. The repeat icon works the opposite of the shuffle icon. Check the icon and hit the generate button. You'll notice that this variable will be repeated and all of the others will be randomized. You can save your idea by clicking the icon next to the ideas in the list beneath the generator. This will activate additional features such as notes and the mood board plugin, which is for specific members. All of your ideas and notes will be visible in your members page, where you can filter and search based on category and keywords found in your notes. If you want to delete an idea, simply uncheck the saved icon, and at the end of each day, all unsaved ideas will be deleted. You can view your idea by clicking on the View Idea link. This link can be found beneath the generator or in your members profile. From this page, you can continue to add notes. All ideas are made private by default as soon as they're saved. If you would like to share your idea, simply check the eye icon to green and it will be made public. From this page, you can also use the mood board generator. A mood board is useful for reference and will boost your design process. It takes just 5 seconds to automatically generate a fully loaded mood board that will help to push your idea in a certain direction and speed up your overall process. You can generate a mood board for any idea, especially art tasks which require photographic reference for art learning. Just look out for this icon and click. Once the mood board is loaded, you want to tweak it by choosing images that you can draw inspiration from. Click the arrow buttons to cycle through, or use the circular icon to randomize the image. There's also an image pop-up in case you want a closer inspection. You may want to capture those finer details. You can switch between different views within the mood board. There's a thumbnail view which has them all on one screen and ideal for an overall perspective, and a larger default view ideal for tailoring the mood board. You can use the scroll bars to navigate. Once you're happy with your overall mood board, simply click the button to save before exiting. You can reload this mood board at any time. Just click the icon next to the idea. If you're not entirely happy with the images presented within this mood board, you can always load a brand new one which will utilize different search terms for your specific keywords. This will result in a completely different mood board altogether, one which you may prefer. We're always looking to improve our services. You can help by flagging any results you think could be better. Simply check the flag icon for that word, select a response, or add your own, and then submit. It'll ping us a message to tweak these specific results. Now, you should be ready to begin developing your artwork and ideas. You can either select one from your saved list or start right away with a newly generated one. Once you've finished, you might want to attach artwork to your idea by uploading an image or inserting the image path. Click Save and it will display beneath your idea. To delete the image, simply click the icon with the cross. Once removed, you can re-add a new image anytime. When you go back to your members page, you'll notice the icon and image path are now displayed. Adding an image to your idea will be useful when sharing, especially with studios, as they'll be able to see the artwork and idea together. This will demonstrate that you can stick to a specific brief as your artwork reflects the criteria required. The growing art community is a place where you can post your artwork and network with other artists. This social hub will be used for any future art courses where members can interact and learn with those that have more experience. You can watch videos or share your own and share your artwork. This community can be navigated quite simply via the community submenu toolbar. It's basically a social network for artists. You can join the official art groups and submit art to the official galleries, which will display throughout the website. The best way to submit your art is via the main community submenu. Once here, join if you haven't already and then click Upload Group Artwork button. You can create your own album, but if you want your work to get fed into the main gallery feed, select Add to Existing Album. Find the official group with the copyright symbol, click Add Files and select your artwork to begin uploading. Click View Album to see your artwork and that's it, you're finished. Your artwork will now be visible in parts of the website outside of the community feed. The art resource is an educational hub. You can access Artblog for advice, hints and tips. You can also access art tutorials and the art vlog, which will be launching soon. There's a strong emphasis on art stock imagery such as the Bodycon Character Pose Gallery to help with character designs and anatomy. The Still Life Gallery will help you to improve your technical drawing and shading skills. These can be viewed in the Filter Gallery, where various filter criteria enable you to pinpoint specific images. It's a fast-track way to help you boost your workflow. These filters will also help you to learn specific art fundamentals such as catchlight. All stock images are also available to download with specific membership types. Simply browse the download section and click through to access. More products and services will be added in the future, but for now, this concludes the Concept Start User Guide tutorial. Thanks for watching.